Welcome all to our presentation. Our topic today is the counter type analog digital converter. So this is the circuit diagram of the counter type ADC. So the counter type ADC is the basic type of ADC, which is also called as the digital ramp type ADC or the staircase approximation ADC. So this circuit consists of an n-bit counter, DAC and an op-amp comparator. So the process is, first the control logic resets the counter and enables the clock signal generator in order to send the clock pulses to the counter. When the clock pulse is received, the start commanding signal. The counter gets incremented by 1 for every clock pulse and its value will be in the digital format, that is in the binary format. This output of the counter is applied as an input of DAC. So DAC converts the received digital input from the counter into an analog output. Comparator compares this analog value VA with the external analog input value VI. The output of comparator will be 1 as long as Vi is greater than. The operations mentioned in above two steps will be continued as long as the control logic receives 1 from the output of the comparator. The output of the comparator will be 0 when Vi is less than or equal to Va. So the control logic receives 0 from the output of comparator. Then the control logic disables the clock signal generator so that it doesn't send any clock pulses to the counter. At this instant, the output of the counter will be displayed as the digital output. It is almost equivalent to the corresponding external analog input value Vi. So the analog input will be a ramp signal, which is like a staircase, and the below given is the digital output. So for each sampling interval, the output of DAC tracks a ramp wave so that it is named as the digital ramp kind ADC. And this ramp seems like a staircase for each sampling moment so that it is also named as the staircase approximation kind ADC. So next is the conversion time of counter type ADC. The conversion time of ADC is the time taken by the ADC to convert the input sampled analog value to a digital value. Here the maximum conversion of high input voltage for an n-bit ADC is the clock pulses required to the counter to count its maximum count value. So the maximum conversion of counter type ADC is 2 power n minus 1 into t. The t is the time period of the clock pulse. The sampling period of the counter type is given as Ts is greater than or equal to 2 power n minus 1 into t. So the advantages of this counter type ADC is the counter type ADC is very simple to understand and it is also easy to operate. Counter type ADC design is less complex so that the cost is also less. It is cost efficient. Speed can be adjusted by adjusting the clock frequency and they are faster than the dual type slope type ADC. Disadvantages. Speed is less because every time the counter has to start from 0 and there may also be some clashes or aliasing effect in the next input is sampled before completion of one operation.